Hi, I'm Tim and welcome to Schmiedmann. In today's video I'm going to show you 3 different rear spoilers for a BMW F30. The spoilers I'm going to show you here today are all unoriginal, but here at Schmiedmann we both sell unoriginal and original BMW spoilers for almost all BMW models. But let's head on to the first rear spoiler. So the first rear spoiler I'm going to show you here today is this Evo Race rear spoiler for BMW F30 models. This is real carbon and it has some great details to it. Here in the back you can see the rear spoiler is lifted. It has some height to it, but not too much, so it won't overshadow all your other details on your BMW F30 models. So this was the Evo Race rear spoiler in real carbon, and let's head over to the second one. If carbon is not the look you are looking for your BMW F30 models details, then we also have other variants of the spoiler. Here we have the classic spoiler. So here we have a classic matte black spoiler for the BMW F30. It has the same it's not as detailed as with the carbon, but it still has a great look and can definitely give the last touch on your BMW F30 models. It goes really great on white BMWs because of the matte black details. So yeah, if carbon is not your look, then maybe this matte black spoiler is. And let's unpack the last spoiler. So here we have the last spoiler I'm gonna show today. This is the Hockenheim style rear spoiler for the BMW F30. It looks very good on your BMW, and with the matte black gives some great details. We also have these in other colors, and soon our warehouse will be filled with rear spoilers for almost all BMW models. Our project manager has gone crazy and bought a whole stock of different rear spoilers for the BMW models. So if you're on the market for a new rear spoiler or any BMW products, then head over to Schmiedmann and find the best prices in the world. And as always, see you at Schmiedmann and welcome to our world of passion for BMW and MINI.